All right, this is 1981 Firebird base model car. Not a Trans Am, not a Formula, not an Esprit. It's just your V6 powered, last of the second generation Firebird. Complete car. I got it from the original owner. It had changed hands a couple times, but he ended up back with it, and he gave it to me. Took about a year to get the title for it, but it didn't run. It had some smoking issue when he quit driving it. Turned out it was a timing chain issue. I didn't need the car, and I just said I'll just take care of it and keep it because I like this second generation Firebird. I bought a nose piece of an earlier car, but you have to change the hood, the lower part, and the headlight bucket area to make that happen. And I went shopping for hoods. The hoods were too high for a car that I'm not going to drive. So this is what I have. I have an 81 Firebird with a V6 that's complete. It's not missing anything. And today we're just putting on a spare tire, getting that save a spare off of it, and putting one of the original wheels back on it. Those are two I got from some wrecking yards. They're 15-inch, and one of them's welded to another rim that can be ground down and maybe used. I have to look and see what can be done to it, and it may be another spare. So it's one of the projects that's in line to get running and just keep it together, not get it as a donor car for a fender or a door for another car. Stay tuned.